Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I will create a website on Windows 10 and then publish the web application but without deployment. First, I will create Ngrok account with my Gmail. Enter all parameters, then confirm your Ngrok account in Gmail. You can skip the authentication steps with your Ngrok account and continue to the dashboard. This is Ngrok's management interface in your account. Don't reveal your token to others. In the video I will make a sample, then I will delete it. Now I will install Ngrok on my computer. To create a website in Windows 10, you need to enable Windows Internet Information Services (IIS) Manager in your computer's control panel. In the Windows Features dialog box, select Internet Information Services and Internet Information Services Hostable Web Core. Click OK, and wait for the operating system to add this feature. The IIS feature on Windows 10 may not support consumer versions. If you want to use it, please upgrade the operating system version to Windows 10 Pro or the business version. The feature has been added to the operating system. This is the default interface of the website when you turn this feature on, and you can edit it. I will access the C drive folder, where it contains the website files. These are default files. When you enable IIS feature in Windows 10, you can delete and replace with other files. You can find freely shared CSS templates online to make websites on your computer's local host. In the video, I will take examples of HTML CSS templates at free-css.com to insert into my localhost. Download the CSS templates you want, then extract the file. Copy all these files and paste it into drive C, path C:/inetpub/www root. Now I will access the website again, at my localhost address. So my old website has been replaced with a new interface. By default, this localhost address is port 80. Now I will use Ngrok to create a tunnel for my website to the internet. Open the Ngrok application and type the command ngrok http://80. Looks like I enabled the app before and didn't delete the previous session, now creating Ngrok running in the background. Use cmd and type the command taskkill im ngrok.exe to close the current Ngrok tasks on your computer. I have closed all Ngrok tasks, now we'll reopen the application. I will configure the Ngrok token in my account in the application, then type the command ngrok http://80. You will see that my localhost port 80 address has been moved to another address. This is the new address mapping your website. Copy the new address and paste it into your browser. You will see it as the website on your computer. So you can quickly share your website without having to deploy it to a web server for customers to experience. I will try changing the words "our services" to my name, Du Tien Dung. Website can be changed quickly according to your wishes. When you want to turn off the website, you will close Ngrok and your website will display the text ERR_NGROK_3200. I have successfully built a website on my computer and brought it to the internet without deploy. I wish you success. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, I will help you install if not successful.